Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is on this month's Glossybox, and can I just say the design of the box this month is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. They're like reflective fishes, and there's like a reflective mermaid tail, wherever that's gone there. It's just such a beautiful box under the sea, and I love the colours. So I just wanted to say that before anything else. If you don't know what Glossybox is, I'll have all that information you need in the description box, and also a link over to Glossybox just in case you want to check the boxes out. So I'm really excited to get into this. I'm just going to open it. Inside is this really pretty colour and the reflective logo. Inside you always get the little description card, which I'm going to just put over to the side. They've obviously kept the theme going with this turquoise coloured, teal coloured tissue paper and ribbon. So I'm just going to open it, hopefully nothing falls out, and just take off the little logo. And inside you have some little goodies. So what I normally do is just pick out an item, show you what it is, and then read on the description card what the item is. So the first item I've picked out is Regenerate Enamel. I think it's toothpaste. Science Advanced Toothpaste, yes. So this is toothpaste. Let me just have a little read. Yeah, advanced toothpaste. Once you've tried it, you won't go back. This is the first toothpaste of its kind to regenerate enamel and reverse the easy erosion process. The ingredients form a fresh supply of enamel, don't know how you pronounce that, minerals which wrap around your teeth for the best result. Use this in place of your regular toothpaste. Okay, this is a Deluxe mini and it is 14 millilitres, worth £2.50. The full size is 75 millilitres and that is worth £10. So we've got a little bit of toothpaste. Toothpaste. Anyway, hopefully there's something else good in here. So the next item is this. Let me just put the card back down. The 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara. It just looks like this. Let's have a little read. What's the brand called? ORIFLAME, I think that's how you pronounce it, ORIFLAME. The 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara. Jetting off this 5-in-1 mascara means you can leave your eyelash curler at home because it lifts, curls, volumizes, lengthens and separates. With the double-sided brush, we recommend lifting and sculpting lashes with the short side bristles and the combing with the long bristles to lengthen and define. It's no wonder one is sold every 4 seconds, sorry. So this is a full size for £9, 8 millilitres. I'm just going to open it up and have a little look at the brush. Just have a little look. Right. So that's the brush. That's obviously the long side there, and then the short side there. It looks quite good. I'll try that out. It's quite weird how there's long bristles on one side, and there's like hardly any there. Try it out and give it a go. And that is a full size worth £9. We got one full size product so far. The second, oh, this is the sneak peek we got in the last in May's box. No, what are we with July? So June's box we got the sneak peek. So this is the seawater hairspray. Doesn't say much else. So the seawater, let's have a little read. SENHOR DO BONFIM, that's the brand. Seawater hairspray, sun, sand and sea salt hairspray. This will help you to achieve the beachy mermaid waves you've been dreaming of. It's a perfect heat-free curl enhancer for that effortless windswept I've not even tried look. After shaking, we recommend spray onto damp hair and twisting some strands to create more texture. You can also spritz this onto dry hair to activate waves and add beachy texture. This is a full size for £16. So I'm just gonna give it a little spray. Definitely smells nice. I'm just gonna spray a bit of my hair. I do normally have natural curls. I'm just gonna spray a little bit. I mean, it feels nice. It smells nice. It's quite a nice little spray. I like that. So that's another full size. Right, the next product we have is from ICO. We have a lot of this brand in the glossy boxes. ICO London, and it's a waterproof I Do liquid eyeliner. So it's a felt tip eyeliner, and that is the felt tip. Let's have a little, there it is. Let's have a little read about it. I don't know if we've got one of these before. I'm trying to remember. I don't have it written on here. It's not written on my one, so it must be another free little one I've got. How many have I got? 3. So I think this is a little another free little treat. Quite like that. I do like eyeliner. I said it in a video before. I do like eyeliner. So the next product is coconut oil formula. Palmer's. I think the brand's Palmer's. It's coconut oil conditioning shampoo for dry, damaged or coloured treated hair. I do like coconut scents. Apply to wet hair, work into creamy lather, rinse thoroughly, blah blah blah. Okay, so coconut oil conditioning shampoo. Sea, sun and sand can lead to dry hair, so we're bringing you this gentle travel size conditioning shampoo made with ethically sourced raw coconut oil and some sort of oil that I can't pronounce. Tahitian mono. I'll put it in the description. I don't know how to pronounce that. Your hair will be left deeply hydrated, increasing shiny and smelling tropical. What's new, it's free from all nasties including parabens and mineral oil. This is a deluxe size, it's 50 millilitres and it's worth £1.99. Full sizes is 400 millilitres for £4.49. So I'm guessing it's just a normal shampoo. Yeah, it's just like a normal shampoo. Oh, it smells nice though. It's coconut. It's just coconut. Definitely smells lovely. So that is the last product? No, it's not the last product. The next product is the Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Sun Lotion. We got it in like a little sample packet, and it's a 30 SPF, and I think it says extra treat. I wonder how, is this another extra treat? I'm not sure, but it doesn't say anything on this because, oh no, it does, I lied. We've included a little treat for the summer months. This new sun lotion not only contains high UV protection but also includes an anti-pollution layer for duo defense. Infused with green tea extracts, mango, guava, papaya and passion fruit will instantly transport you to the tropics. Remember to apply sun lotion 20 minutes before sun exposure and reapply frequently. So this is obviously a sample. So the full size is 180 millilitres, and that's normally $14.99. And then the last product is, oh, it's like a little, you get it out its little bag and I'll show you. So it's a brush. This is the brush side, and it's like a seashell. Let's have a little read. So the INUWET. It's a cheek shell brush. Calling all mermaids, the shimmering shell brush from Korean brand INUWET is a fabulous multitasker with short, smooth bristles, soft bristles. It's perfect for precision contouring. Oh, okay, contouring, bronzing and highlighting. This gorgeous addition to your makeup bag is also vegan friendly and cruelty free. It's a full size for £13.20. So contouring, bronzing and highlighting, I guess that would really work really well. Highlight, you could kind of do that. Like, looking forward to trying that out actually. I do like the little shell design on it. So yeah, that is this month's box. I got a lot of things actually. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have got the eyeliner, not really sure, but yeah, quite happy with that box. Toothpaste, I've got toothpaste, everyone has toothpaste. The mascara I'm going to try, the brush, coconut shampoo, this spray. It's a good box this month. I really love this box. The design is my favourite. It's probably in my top 5 or 3 boxes. Because I have designed other boxes of course, but I am definitely loving this month's box. I could just put it up on my little shelf up there and it will look really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said last month, if you want me to do an extra unboxing beauty video like Birchbox, I think that's the only other one we can get in the UK, I'm not too sure, then please let me know in the comments below, and I will happily do that. Like this video if you did, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified about any future videos. Until next time guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.